In this video, I will show you how to add and change gradient colors in Canva. Open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one. You can use a picture from Unsplash or any other source, or upload your own. On the left-hand panel, click on Elements. In the search bar, type in Gradient. Under Graphics, click on See All to view all gradient options available. Select a gradient from the list of graphics. You'll see different shapes and styles, so pick the one that fits your design. Drag and drop the gradient onto your design. Resize the gradient to cover the whole image or the area you want to apply the effect to. With the gradient selected, click on the Transparency button at the top right of the toolbar. Adjust the Transparency slider to control how much of the gradient overlays the image. You can make it more or less transparent depending on the look you're going for. To change the colors of the gradient, click on the gradient element. At the top of the screen, you'll see the color options. Click on each color in the gradient to open the color picker and select a new color. You can choose from Canva's default color palette or use a custom color by entering a hex code. You can move the gradient around by clicking and dragging it across your image. To rotate the gradient and change the direction of the color fade, use the rotation handle on the graphic. Play around with the colors, positioning, and transparency until the gradient effect blends nicely with your image. The gradient should enhance your design by adding a nice overlay or blending effect. Once you're happy with the gradient effect, save or download your design as needed.